Welcome to another Lexsoft system presentation. Today we want to introduce you to T3 Classify, the tool KM professionals will use to deal with the proposed documents from the lawyers. As you can see, we're going to be working here with a workspace called Knowledge Management, but we could have as many workspaces as maybe practices there are in the firm. First of all, we notice that in the inbox we have a document called Great Contract for the AB Corporation sent by a lawyer. Maybe the first thing we want to do as a KM professional is something very standard for a management will be to delete the name of the client from the title. Maybe the second thing will be to open up this document just to make sure that we don't have any information within the document that we don't want to disclose. In this case, once again, let me delete the name of the client. I'm going to save this as a new version. And let me close Word. So right now we have our document ready to continue within the publication cycle, now that we know that we don't have any data from the client within the document. So it will be something as simple as just going to T3 and continue the publication cycle. We're going to have three options here. We're going to have the ability to approve the document, to reject it, to add comments. So let me approve the document. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be sending this document into the next folder in which maybe a different person will want to review it again or to classify the document or to see exactly what are the classifications. So we notice that we have the document in my approved documents folder. And now what I want to do is to check what's the classification that it has. I notice that nobody has added any classification. So please let me add the category here. Maybe it's a model. And also, I'm going to say that it is for labor law and for collective conflicts and for lockouts, let's say. So in a very simple way, I can classify my document the same way that I could also add some other taxonomies through here, through the library tab. So I save my changes. Now I have my document perfectly classified, and I can send this document into the next folder. So once again, I come to T3, publication cycle, and approve the document. What we're going to be doing right now is to be sending this document into the published documents folder, which is the folder in which everybody within my firm will have read rights so they can search for this knowledge. Also, we're going to be making a copy of the versions that we have used of this same document through the publication cycle, and we're going to be sending it into all versions. So we have the whole history of what has happened with this document since we received it in KM. As you can see, we have two versions here, and we have a reference to our document. Now, if we go into the published documents folder, we notice that I have here my contract with only one version, and now it's ready to be searched by the rest of the firm.